Welcome to our customer portal. Today I'm going to show you how to register your customer portal account so you can manage your automobile loan directly. We'll click on the link at the bottom of the screen that says register here. Once we have done that, we are brought to the next screen, and this shows us that we are at step 1 of the customer portal registration process. You will be required to enter your account number. Your account number is 9 digits long. The first 3 digits are followed by a dash. Please make sure you include the dash when entering your account number. You'll then be required to choose your verification method. You can use the last 4 of your social security number, or you can use your birth date. Once you make your selection, the field below it will change. Then you will select the CAPTCHA that states that you are not a robot and then click search. Once you find your account, you will be able to log in and manage your loan. Once you have entered that information, you will notice that a verification code will have been sent to your email address. You need to check your email and get that 6-digit code. Once you have entered it, you then will be able to verify your account. Once you have access to your account, you will be brought to your dashboard. Your dashboard will show you all the information about your loan, including your name, account number, vehicle, and vehicle's VIN. You can see the original amount of your loan, the date you opened your loan, how many months or term of the loan. You can see what your financing rate is. You can see what the principal balance is. You can also see what your payoff amount is and when your next payment is due. Looks like you're all set with your customer portal. Next thing you want to do is set up your payments.